Welcome. If you love finding great deals and want to make sure you never miss a price drop on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable email notifications for price drops, so you can stay ahead and shop smarter. This guide is updated for 2025, so you'll have the latest info. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of your screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture again at the very top and tap it. This will open up more options for your account settings. Next, find and tap on the notification option. This is where you can customize how Pinterest keeps you updated about what matters most to you. Scroll down until you see the shopping section. Under this, you'll find an option labeled Price Drops. This is the feature that will let you know when something you've saved goes on sale. Tap on Price Drops to open up the notification settings. Here, you'll see different ways Pinterest can notify you about price changes. To make sure you get notified by email, simply toggle on the email option. When it's switched on, you'll receive an email whenever there's a price drop on items you've saved or shown interest in. And that's it. You've now enabled email notifications for price drops on Pinterest. From now on, Pinterest will send you an email whenever there's a discount on items you're watching, so you'll never miss out on a great deal. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tutorials on getting the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!